Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting to share with you all, the Arduino Multifunction Shield. This incredible little device is a must-have for all Arduino enthusiasts out there. It's packed with features and can greatly simplify your projects. So let's dive right in and explore what this shield can do. The Arduino Multifunction Shield is designed to provide a convenient way to connect various modules to your Arduino board. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your projects, offering multiple functionalities in one compact package. Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. One of the standout features of this shield is the built-in LCD display. With 16:2 character display, you can easily output text and numbers, making it perfect for creating menus, displaying sensor data, or even for debugging purposes. The shield provides simple and intuitive control over the LCD, allowing you to print messages with just a few lines of code. The shield also features a set of tactile buttons, which can be used for user input. These buttons are pre-wired and connected to the Arduino, making it easy to integrate them into your projects. Whether you want to create a menu navigation system or control specific functions, these buttons provide a convenient way to interact with your Arduino. The shield also comes with additional headers and connectors to support various add-on modules. This means you can easily expand its functionality by attaching other shields or modules, such as temperature sensors, motor drivers, or wireless communication modules. The possibilities are endless, and you can customize the shield to suit your specific project requirements. Another fantastic feature is the onboard potentiometer. This component allows you to control analog inputs with ease. You can use it to adjust values such as brightness, volume, or any other parameter that requires variable control. The potentiometer is highly versatile and can be used in a wide variety of projects. Need audio feedback in your project? Well, the Arduino Multifunction Shield has got you covered. It includes a buzzer that can produce a range of tones and melodies. You can use it to create alarms, notifications, or even play simple tunes. The buzzer is simple to control and can add an extra layer of interactivity to your projects.
And that wraps up our introduction to the Arduino Multifunction Shield. As you can see, it's a versatile and powerful tool that can simplify your Arduino projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, this shield provides a range of features that can take your projects to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used the Arduino Multifunction Shield before or if you have any questions. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy making!